This is a video to describe setting the first step of your side docking for a single-side hysterectomy with the daVinci SI system. First thing I want to do is to spread arms 1 and 2 out to have access to the camera arm. So we'll go ahead and move these arms out to the side. The next thing I want to do is to raise my camera arm up as high as it will go and extend it out until the sweet spot indicator is on the black line. When we dock on the left side, the arm will bend towards the patient's feet. So the bend in this arm will always be on the caudad side, depending on which side you side dock from. This will always be on the caudad side, so it'll bend towards the patient's feet. You want to center your camera holder on the column and then have this arm extended out as far as it will go, so I can bring it out about another centimeter to put it on that black line. This is just for sighting. As I approach the patient with the column, it'll be at about a 40 to 45 degree angle, and I'll want to hover the camera holder over about a 2-inch margin, 2 to 3 inch margin over where the camera port is. Once I'm there, we can lock the cart and fix this to the camera. Once you've set arms 2 and then 1, then you can go back and readjust this to put this back into the sweet spot, and then lock your other arms the way you need them. So with our arms set now, our camera port set, we'll start the approach. And we're going to come in at about a 40 to 45 degree angle. You bring it to where it hovers right over the top of your port, and then you can adjust your camera. Now we can adjust this arm, bring it out, attach our camera, and we're no longer in the sweet spot like we started, but we'll fix that after we get our arms set. We'll put the number 2 port in, bring our arm over, lock it into position, we'll put our number 1 port in, bring the number 1 arm over, and now lock it into position. The last thing that we'll need to do is to adjust our arms. We want our number 1 arm to be as straight as possible. Our number 2 arm is going to have a little bend in it, but you'll notice right here, I don't know if you can see this, but there's very little room between the articulating elbows right there. That's an easy fix. We'll adjust our camera to be centered between the 2 elbows here, and now there's plenty of room and plenty of adjustment that can be made internally. And that's how you side dock a daVinci SI system for single-side hysterectomy.